Hello and welcome everyone. Our team from SMK St. Anthony is led by our principal, Mr. Vincent Leong Xiaochuan. Our school is located at Jalan Repok, Bandar Sarike, Sarawak. There are currently 1,445 students with 98 teachers teaching in this school. 21st century learning is a learning process that focuses on a student-centered approach based on the elements of communications, collaborations, critical thinking, creativity, moral values, and ethical applications. As we know, the parking lot is one of the techniques which is being implemented in 21st century learning. The parking lot in the class is used by the student to stick an exit ticket. An exit ticket is a sticky note that will be used by the student to write their reflections regarding the topic that they have studied during a lesson. However, we have found that there are several problems to implement this conventional parking lot activity. The first problem is usually there is no physical distancing practiced among the students as they gather around to stick the exit ticket in a crowded area. Besides, the sticky notes are also disorganized. They easily get detached and scattered around everywhere if there is a strong wind. Thus, the exit tickets will become dirty. Finally, the conventional parking lot activity consumes the teachers' times as they have to go to the notice board to collect every piece of the exit ticket.
Therefore, to overcome this problem, our team has agreed to create an innovation called a drive-through lot. We choose this name for our innovation because it is a movable parking lot. We reuse the drinking bottle as the compartment to place the exit tickets, which corresponds to the theme of this competition. The drive-through lot is made from polyethylene recycled drinking bottle. We use PVC pipe, recycled polypropylene glass. We use round cardboard, we use square cardboard, and we use cardboard. We also require a little cost for our innovation. There are Mr. DIY wheels, Mr. DIY spray pen, and color pad, both from Mr. DIY store. The total cost is 14 ringgit and 40 cents. The plastic bottle will be cut in half with an equal height of 13 cm. The lid of the bottle is made from the reused cardboard and the bottle caps. All the compartments will be held by the PVC pipe. The first and second compartments of the structure will have an equal height of 50 cm, and each of the compartments will have 5 bottles. The base is built from the reused square cardboard with the wheels attached. The first 2 compartments from the top are the places where the exit tickets will be put. Each of the bottles will represent every subject. The bottom square layer will be an extra compartment where unused sticky notes and stationery can be put. The aim of our innovation is to minimize the movement of students in the class during this COVID-19 pandemic, so this can reduce the problems related to maintain the physical distancing. It also can create a convenient way to store the exit tickets. Hence, this can help to save time for both teachers and students. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and share this video.